Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are talking all about Target must-haves hygiene edition, okay? It is summer, it is hot, it is humid, and I have pretty much compiled a bunch of hygiene products ranging from hair to lotions to pretty much everything, okay, that you need to try that you can actually get from Target. I love shopping at Target. They have so much stuff. So if you want to up your hygiene game or if you're just looking to try new products, this is definitely the video for you. So with that said, grab your cafecito. I'm currently drinking my Caramelicious from Scooters. So delicious. If you guys have a Scooters near you, try this one. Favorite. So grab your cafecito, grab some notes, and let me show you my must-have hygiene products from Target. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into body care, okay? I have tried so many things. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know, you must remember that I've spoken about being super insecure about having smelly underarms. I know I'm not the first or only woman to talk about this, or maybe it's not talked about enough, but I have finally found the bar soap that has actually worked for me and takes away the smell, if you know. You know what I mean. And that is the Dial soap. Like, this is an OG, okay? This one is the Gold Bar antibacterial bar soap. This one even says deodorant bar soap. I think this is what they use when you give birth to like clean you down there because it is antibacterial. So I recently discovered this soap and I started incorporating it into my shower routine. So as soon as I get in the shower, you know, I start washing my body, and I use this only in the areas where I want the smell to go away, but I especially focus it on my underarms. And let me tell you that it has made such a difference. Like, I am no longer doing the I'm smelling my hair trick, you know, that I no longer have to do that because I am confident that I no longer smell, all thanks to this little bar. If you are a smelly girl, you have to have this in your hygiene routine, okay? So let's move on from that. I'm going to show you guys some restocks that I went to Target yesterday for. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I love me a good Target haul. I love going to Target. It is so dangerous. So I always try to go with a budget in mind because otherwise I will overspend. But I just got a few items that I needed and I wanted to share them with you guys. So staying in the realm of underarms, I have to give a huge shout out to the Dove Even Tone plus niacinamide deodorant. Oh my gosh, not only does this smell so good, like I can literally smell myself all day. Like, now I can actually smell the deodorant on me. Before it was like a mix of deodorant and like sweat or whatever it was, and ever since I started using the Dial soap, I just smell this all day. This does contain niacinamide, which is made to make your skin look brighter in tone. So I have noticed such a difference in my underarms. Like, just they look so much lighter, okay? I still have some work to do because I've been shaving for years and there is some discoloration. I have noticed that this just makes my underarms smoother and it has gotten rid of some discoloration, not all. Also, the fact that I started doing laser hair removal has made such a difference because, if you know, shaving does cause irritation and it gives you that like 5 o'clock shadow, and with a laser I don't have to worry about that anymore. Literally the best thing I have ever done for myself is getting laser hair removal. But this product right here, if you suffer from dark underarms due to pigmentation, or maybe after giving birth, I know a lot of women suffer from that, this one is going to help you so much. You can also use glycolic acid underneath your arms. Just use it every now and then and just keep an eye on it. And for some people, it works amazing. For me, it really didn't do much, but my sister loves it. So just wanted to throw that out there, that this bar, the Even Tone, is amazing. I should say these two together are amazing because it keeps me clean, it keeps me fresh, gets rid of the bacteria, and then this just keeps me smelling good and makes my underarms look good. So that is a plus. I have noticed that anytime that I use a body scrub, it's a game changer, okay? My skin not only feels soft, but it smells amazing. This brand alone is top tier, okay? You cannot tell me otherwise. This is the Tree Hut Cocoa Colada Shea Sugar Scrub. I love this stuff. I use this all over my body. My skin feels like a baby's bottom. It is not too aggressive on the skin, which is a huge plus, and it smells delicious. Oh my gosh, if you love body scrubs, you have to try. This one is like the perfect summer scent, okay? Pina colada, anything coconut, just like give it to me, because summer literally smells like coconuts to me. So this is my favorite sugar scrub to use all over my body. I will rinse it, and then in the days that I do have to shave, which now again, thanks to my laser hair removal, is very minimal, I do like to go in with the Tree Hut Cocoa Colada moisturizing shave oil. Oh my gosh, if you have not used this or incorporated into your hygiene routine, I really recommend it. I used to just use the gel, not the gels, the like the foaming shaving gels or whatever, and I always got cuts, my skin felt dry, or it irritated my skin. And not with this, because it is more of a gel oil. It makes the razor just glide, honey, okay? So I love this product for pretty much all over the body except for the face, of course. So if you need to shave your underarms, your arms, your legs, your bikini area, what have you, this product is a must. And I always like to buy the matching scents because I don't know, I think it just smells delicious together. So love these for, you know, shaving, etc. Now to actually wash my body, I have been on the hunt for like the perfect body wash, because I love me a good Dove body wash, but I felt like those weren't moisturizing enough, and I noticed that my skin was just like super dry, especially right now with this heat. It's like my skin is like dry. Also, we have been going to the pools a lot, and just being out in the sun has really dried me out. And the only body wash that I have noticed that has actually given some glow back to my skin is this one by the brand Naturium. This is the Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. This is an oil to gel formula that intensely nourishes the body. And I have to agree, oh my gosh, this leaves my body feeling so soft. I actually get out of the shower and I almost don't feel like I need to apply any lotions, but I do. I like to take care of my skin, so I always go in with a lotion afterwards. After I get out of the shower, of course, we have to moisturize the skin. Whether or not you feel like you need it, you need it. For my lotion, this is the one that I always go back to. I have so many lotions. I have tried so many lotions, but there is something about Vaseline, this one in specific, that I love. It keeps me hydrated all day. It absorbs really quickly into my skin, so it doesn't leave me that like greasy, thick film. It just overall improves your skin, the dryness. If you have cracked heels, use this at night. Put this on, put some socks on, and you are good to go. I had to pick one up because I completely ran out of the one that I had. This one, oh my gosh, when you're wearing shorts in the summer, your legs look so like glowy. You look like a glazed donut. Literally, this is why I love this product so much. I know this is nothing new, nothing special, but I feel like a lot of people might sleep on this brand, like, because it is nothing like new, cool, innovative. Trust me, you will love this. I really wanted to mention sunscreen because obviously I know it's something super important for the summer. Now, as an oily skin girl, I struggle so much with finding a good sunscreen that's not too greasy, that's not too heavy, that's not too thick. And I have tried a lot, okay? So many, like, name a brand and I have probably tried it. The one that I always go back to is this one by La Roche-Posay. It is the Antholoys Light Fluid Sunscreen. This is the ultra light version. This has an SPF of 60, and oh my goodness, you guys, when I tell you, look, this is watery, okay? I'm going to show you guys. Look at how runny it is. This stuff is amazing. It is so light. It dries down really nicely. It doesn't pill with other products. And it does leave your skin feeling like a little glowy, but it's not a sticky, thick feeling. I have tried this one from Eucerin. This one is for acne prone and oily skin. And this one was way too thick. I'm going to show you guys a quick little comparison. That's a lot, but look at the difference. That's thick. That is not running. And this one is so runny because it is so light. So if you're looking for a good sunscreen that is perfect for oily to combination skin, that is not going to break you out, that is not going to clog your pores, then please give this one a try, because this one will forever be my staple sunscreen, forever and ever. I'm quickly going to talk about what I like to use to brush my teeth. I've gotten some questions on like, how do you get your teeth so wide? First, I mean, my teeth are pretty wide, but also taking consideration that I have tons of lights, so that probably makes my teeth look wider than they actually are. But my favorite toothpaste is the Crest 3D White Stain Eraser. This is the Icy Clean Mint. This one is my favorite because I have noticed such an improvement on the staining of my teeth. I am a huge coffee lover. I wake up, I drink coffee. Sometimes I will have another coffee during the day, and I know that's not good for you, as I sip on coffee. But in reality, this is like cheaper than going to a dentist to whiten your teeth. It is cheaper than actually whitening your teeth with ¿cómo se llaman? Whitening strips. It's a lot cheaper than that, and you will see a difference. Obviously, make sure you're consistent and you brush your teeth twice a day, but you will see a difference and your teeth will seem brighter and whiter even with the first use. The last thing that I wanted to mention are two products that I absolutely love. Now, this brand, you can actually get it at Ulta as well. This is the Kristen S Ultrafine Workable Hairspray, and I also love the dry shampoo. I actually thought this was the dry shampoo, but my dry shampoo is downstairs. I don't feel like getting it, but ever since I got a PR from them a few months ago and they sent me these, I was like, where has this been all my life? I love the Batiste dry shampoo, but I noticed that I get really itchy on like day 3 or 4 of not washing my hair, and with this one, excuse me, my scalp is not itchy at all. I can go up to like 4 or 5 days without washing my hair, maybe even 6, and my hair, it just smells fresh. Like if you've ever smelled any of the Kristen S products, that's what my hair smells like. And when I used to use the Batiste dry shampoo, I felt like my scalp smelled like dry shampoo mixed with like dirty hair, and it was just gross and I didn't like it. Last but not least, to add some shine back into my hair, because naturally the longer that you take to wash your hair is not going to have that natural shine, so I like to fake it. I love the coconut miracle oil from OGX. This one is amazing. It will give your hair so much shine. I'm going to show you guys because I haven't used it today, but this will bring my hair back to life and it'll reduce the frizz as well. Look at that. And as it dries down, it looks a little more subtle. But look at that. Look at the difference. Shiny and dull. So let's add a little bit here. I actually added a little too much. Now you do have to be careful with this product, because if you add too much, it can make your hair look a little greasy, and that's happened to me in the past, and I was like, ay, 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 my hair looks greasy. Just like that. Look at that. Look at that shine. My hair looks and smells amazing. I am obsessed with this product. I know it's nothing new, but again, these are just essentials that I keep in heavy rotation and that I always go to Target for, because I know that they won't disappoint. So that is it, you guys. These are hygiene must-haves from Target. I love Target. I'm sure many of you love Target as well. And these are products, excuse me, that I either always go repurchase or I just keep them in stock because they're just a part of my hygiene routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.